nature has always had a way with light. But why should she have all the fun? Because with help from a member of the American Lighting Association, you can transform your home into a beautifully lit environment. Allow us to offer you our professional advice on everything from ceiling fans to ambient lighting. For the name of an American Lighting Association showroom near you, call 1-800-BRIGHT-IDEAS.